In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Outlook, a handy way to organize your workload efficiently. First, let's start by accessing the Microsoft Outlook page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once there, click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your login details, type in your email and password, and click Next. Now, you're on the Outlook dashboard, ready to start organizing your emails into tasks. For those of you looking to streamline your workflow by converting emails into actionable tasks, Outlook has a straightforward process. Imagine you've just received an important email and you know it requires follow-up. Instead of scribbling it down elsewhere or trying to remember, you can easily turn that email into a task with just a few clicks. In Outlook, you'll see a variety of icons on your navigation pane. To transform an email into a task, click and hold the email that needs to be actioned on. Then drag this email directly onto the tasks icon in the navigation pane. This action is available in the classic version of Outlook. What happens here is quite intuitive. The subject line of the email automatically becomes the subject of your new task. This feature helps maintain context and ensures that you remember precisely what the task is about. If you're using the new version of Outlook, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. Here, you'll drag the selected email to what's called the My Day pane. This pane is specifically designed to help you manage your daily workload. Once you drop the email there, you'll need to select the option labeled Add as Task. Again, the subject line of your email will automatically populate as the task's subject. At this point, you can add additional details to keep everything well organized. Click on the task you've just created. From there, you can input further details like a due date. This will help you prioritize and allocate enough time to get the task done without stress. Moreover, you can set reminders. These reminders ensure that you won't forget about this task, giving you that gentle nudge when it's due. So there you have it, a simple, efficient way to turn your emails into actionable tasks within Microsoft Outlook. This method is a great way to ensure nothing falls through the cracks in your busy day-to-day routine. As you've seen, creating tasks from emails is straightforward and can greatly enhance your productivity. Keep this method in mind the next time you're sorting through your inbox. It might just be the tool you need to keep on top of everything. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.